Good day. Our exercise for today is about distributive property of multiplication over addition. Solve using distributive property of multiplication over addition. 6 times the quantity of 3 plus 4. Using distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication over addition says if A, B, and C are any three integers, A times the quantity of B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. This can also be written as A times the quantity of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. A is distributed to B and C. We will also distribute 6 to 3 and 6 to 4. 6 times 3 plus 6 times 4. The answer is 42. Let us check our answer by solving using PEMDAS. 6 times the quantity of 3 plus 4 is equal to 6 times 7. The answer is 42. Same answer. Change the operation to addition. Distribute 5 to 6 and to negative 2. 5 times 6 plus 5 times negative 2. The answer is 20. Let us try solving without changing to addition. It will be 6 times 5 minus 2 times 5. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. Same answer. Let us now try solving using PEMDAS. Solving first. 6 minus 2 in the parentheses is equal to 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Same answer. Let us solve this using distributive property of multiplication over addition. Change subtraction to addition. Distribute the quantity of negative 5 plus 3 to 5 and to negative 4. Now, we will distribute 5 to negative 5 and positive 3. We will also distribute negative 4 to negative 5 and 3. So we will do distributive property of multiplication over addition twice. The answer is negative 2. Let us check our answer by solving using PEMDAS. Negative 5 plus 3, negative 2. 5 minus 4, 1. Negative 2 times 1 is equal to negative 2. We have the same answer. For more topic, read the description.